What's going on, guys? So here are some X Factor handguards that I just picked up from my Honda CRF 250. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here. So as you can see, I picked up the Acerbis X Factor handguards. So this is actually the first time I'm going to be opening this box, but it looks like somebody already opened it before me. So let's slide this open. So it looks like that was probably from shipping, I'm gonna guess. So there's a mounting kit. Everything you need to mount it, obviously. That's why they call it the mounting kit. And here's the hand guards. So obviously there's two. Doesn't look like there's anything else in there. Oh, a little bit of foam. Some foam, that's about it. So obviously you get the two hand guards, the left and right, and the mounted kit. Let's see what's inside here. Brackets. As you can see, if I can get it. There it is. Bunch of bolts. And a sticker. Well, that's about it. Surprised they don't have two stickers. That's about it, guys. So that's all you get in the box. Obviously the two hand guards, the two mounted brackets here, and the hardware, and one sticker. That's about it. I'll be installing it on a bike probably today, and look forward to that video. I appreciate it. You guys, if you like these videos, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Have a good one. Catch you next time.